This is higher, it's practice paper D, and we're looking at question 1 in the calculator paper. Okay, a sequence is defined by a recurrence relation as follows here. Okay, part A, given that u2 is equal to -8, find the value of k. 2 marks for this one here. Okay, so let's set up the recurrence relation, work that through a bit. Right, so we've got un plus 1 is equal to some value times un minus 6. And what we're doing is we're starting with u0 being 0. Okay, so let's go ahead and work out u1. So what we're going for here is it's going to be k times the 0 minus 6. 0 times k is going to give me 0, so that's giving me minus 6 for u1. Now if I went forward and went for u2, I know that u2 is going to be k times the minus 6, which is u1, minus 6. Okay, I already know the value of u2, which is -8, so I'm going to substitute that in here to work out the value of k. Right, I'm just working this one through, so what we can go for here is that'll give me -2 is equal to minus 6k. So k is going to be equal to -2 over minus 6. So k is going to give me a third. And that's part A complete, just working out the value of k. Right, part B. So why does this sequence tend to a limit as n tends towards infinity? So the sequence tends to a limit, and that'll be since we've got the k value lies in between -1 and 1. So that's the reason for the sequence having a limit. And I'll also put in the value that we worked out there. So there's our mark for part 1 for B. For part 2, find the value of the limit. Okay, so I'm going to let L be the limit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace in here, I'm just going to put L into here and here and work things through. So L is going to be equal to 1/3 L minus 6. Okay, what I'll do is I'll gather everything on the left hand side with the letter L with it. So L subtracting 1/3 L is equal to -6. That there gives me 2/3, because remember that's going to be a 1L subtracting 1/3 L. And from there what I could do is I could just do that there, cancel these ones out, that'll give me a 3, -3 there, so that gives me -9. So the limit of the sequence is -9. Right, let's see where we're getting our marks for this. So there's 5 marks in total for this piece of work that we've done here. And what we'll do is we'll get 1 mark for working out the value for u1, and I'll take 1 mark for the getting the value for k. The k is equal to a third. 1 mark for stating the reason why the limit exists, and then setting up the limit, either using this method here or the formula that you've given by the way that you've been taught. And finally, getting the limit equal to -9. So that's going to be 5 marks in total for that question.